The joyful journey of discovering purple. Hello, fellow English learners. Welcome back to our fun-filled series on describing things in English. Today, we're diving into the world of colors, and more specifically, we're going to learn all about the color purple. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize, understand, and use the term in various contexts. So, let's get started. Purple is a color that is a blend of blue and red. It is often associated with royalty, luxury, and power. If you look around you, you can find purple in flowers, clothing, fruits like grapes, and even in the sky during a beautiful sunset. Now that we know what purple is, let's see how we can use it in our everyday language. You can describe things as being purple in color. For example, she is wearing a purple dress. The purple grapes are very sweet. Look at the purple hues in the sunset. In English, we have some phrases that use the color purple. Let's look at a few of them. 1. Purple patch, a period of success or good luck. Example, he's been scoring goals regularly for his team. He's really having a purple patch. 2. Purple prose, overly elaborate or flowery writing. Example, her novel was filled with purple prose. It was a bit hard to read. Just like many other colors, purple has many different shades, each with its own unique name. Here are a few examples. Lavender, a light, slightly bluish shade of purple. Violet, a bright, bluish-purple color. Mauve, a pale, grayish-purple color. That brings us to the end of our colorful journey with purple. We hope this video has made you more comfortable with using this color in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to use this color in your everyday conversations. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the vibrant world of English. Happy learning!